Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I can't believe it's time again for another round of mini money matters. I'm going to use this binder to stuff today £140 that I usually stuff. $20, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $90, $110, $15, $20, $25, $30, $35, $40. Because I do them alternate weeks, you see, roll the dice 1 week, mini money matters the following week, and for the third week bag a book, and then so on. That's how I do my savings challenges for 2024. I changed it up, and I don't really do much either, but what I do, it's enough for me. I know what I can manage, so therefore doing it in rotation like that works perfectly for me. Anyway, I really enjoy the mini money binder. And let's see what we've only got a few left to do. Yeah, we've only got a few. So let me just check and see. Right, there's 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's get busy then. The Woodland Wonder, I normally put £5 in, so that will get £5 today. And once again, forgotten all my pens and markers, and you know how it is. Let's put that there and colour that in red. Let's put it over here actually, instead of stretching over. So let's do 5 mushroom. Yeah, good. Let's do a wafty for that, and then the fruit will get 5 as well. Where's that turquoise one? I think let's do a kiwi. Yeah, let's do a kiwi. That's getting 5 for now. And then Adventure Awaits is completed. The sweet treats, let's just do, so we've got 5, 10, 15, 20. I can actually finish that today. I think I will finish the sweets today. Yep, all finished. So let me just put completed here so I know. That's £20. Lovely. And sunflower savings will get 5. Yep, 5 for sunflower savings. This savings challenge is for week, oh, is it the 19th? Week 19th. Is it week 19th? Let me just check, because I'm a week behind. Yes, week 19th. That one's done. So the mini binder is all finished for another week. And we have £35 there that we've put in today. It goes into one wallet for the booklet, for that binder. It's all over the place, this money is, but I'll get that sorted out. And now we've got the Rubik cube, and that normally gets 10. Blue. And then save 200 will get £10 as it usually does, and I will just mark off a piece of the letter. So that gets 10. Right, and then we've got the Tremendous Leaf of Faith. I've done all the 10s. I think we've got one more 15 left, so we'll do 15. Where's my dark green? I think this is the last 15. Yeah. So the next time round we'll be on to the 20s. And then I'll be saving, that's £200 once completed. I have done all the 10s. I was on to the 15s, those are gone. Then I went on to the 20s. There's no more 20s, so I will do a 25, which is here. 25. Let's get my black markers, permanent markers are on their way out. I've got to go through all of them and double check. Yeah, they're on their way out. That's 25, and I have got, just double check, one more to do, which is 30, and that is going to be exciting. Next time round that will be all finished. Now, well, let me see what money we have here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. So let's do, I'll be saving and complete that today. 10, 20, 30. Let me just double check that I have marked off all of them. Yep, only one more. That's lovely. 30 there. And that's completed. Lovely. Let's see what we can do with this one. we've got 15, and I normally put 10 in that. Let's do a 10 in the Rubik, and put the £5 and roll over. Roll over. Great. I'm happy with that. It's my wafty key fob, like that. Finished. £5 for rollover, and I'm done for today. If you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.